Buttons, boxes, and text are all variations of shapes. We'll drag in a shape and a heading. Change the text of both the shape and heading to button. Copy the button, then choose Paste Special Paste Style to copy one shape style to another. Next, we'll layer the buttons and change their colors. Select Order Grouping to Front to move the button to the top. You can also use the toolbar buttons to bring a shape to the front or send it to the back. Right-click and choose Fill with Lorem Ipsum to fill the shape's text with placeholder text. To change the shape, right-click and select Select Shape, then pick a shape from the pop-up. You can also edit a shape using anchor points. Right-click, choose Transform Shape Edit Points, and drag the anchor points to modify the shape. To unite two shapes, right-click, select Transform Shape Unite, and the two shapes will merge as one in the Outline panel. Alternatively, you can temporarily combine two shapes. Drag in a rectangle, select them both, and right-click to choose Transform Shape Combine to merge them temporarily. To separate, choose Break Apart. Select the connector line mode from the toolbar, and you can drag the connector points on the shape's edges to connect two shapes. Right-click, Transform Shape, edit connector points to adjust connector points by dragging them. To convert a shape to an image, right-click, select Transform Shape Convert to Image. Choose Flip Horizontal to flip the shape horizontally, or Flip Vertical to flip it vertically. Lastly, let's look at shape style effects, which are primarily for setting styles for shape interactions. Right-click, select Style Effects, and in the pop-up, you can set effects for Mouseover, Mousedown, Selected, Disabled, Focused, and Error states. We'll add a click interaction to the button, setting its selected style to toggle. When the mouse hovers over the button, its color changes because we applied a Mouseover style effect. When the mouse is pressed, the button's color changes due to the Mousedown style effect. When the mouse is released, the button changes to the selected style effect. We add a Set Error State style effect to the button and select Toggle. In the prototype preview, clicking the button changes its style to error. Clicking again reverts the button to its original state. Right-clicking and selecting Disabled changes the button to the disabled style effect. We then reset the button to its original state. Next, we drag in 2 new buttons to create 3 tab items. In the interaction panel, we set the first button to the selected state and assign a selection group, so only one tab can be selected at a time. We add a click interaction to all 3 buttons, setting their state to selected. Then we copy the style effect of the first button and paste it onto the other 2 buttons. In the prototype preview, clicking different buttons selects them and deselects the others. Right-clicking and choosing Lock Location and Size locks the button. To create a custom shape, we use the Pen tool in the toolbar. The Pen tool works like other design tools. We simply click to set anchor points. By dragging the anchor points and handles, we can adjust its shape. We add text inside the shape and rotate it. Right-clicking Reset Text to 0 degrees resets the text to its original angle. Right-clicking Reference Page allows us to link the button to a specific page. We add another page and set the button's reference page to Page 2.